Now, let us study some properties on linear equations in two variables. There are three ways to solve the systems of linear equations in two variables. They are namely, number one, using graphical method, that is called graphing. The second method is substitution method, and the third one is elimination method. Now, when we are dealing with these linear equations, what are the possible outcomes? That is what we are going to focus now. The possible outcomes are either you will get one solution, or you will have no solution at all, or you will have infinite number of solutions. Now, what I mean one solution? One solution means if the system in two variables has one solution means it is an ordered pair that is a solution to both the equations. In other words, when you plug in the values of the ordered pair, it makes both equations true. So this is called one solution. Next, let us see the next case, that is no solution. If the two lines are parallel to each other, so naturally they will not intersect, and thereby will not have an intersecting point. That means they will never intersect. This means that they do not have any points in common. In this situation, you will find no solution. Next case, let us see the infinite solutions. If the two lines end up lying on top of each other, then there is an infinite number of solutions. In this situation, they would end up being the same line. That means both the lines are coincident. So naturally, you will find infinite number of solutions. So any solution that would work in one equation is going to work in another equation. Thus, we can now sum up based on one solution, no solution, infinite number of solutions. Let us sum up as follows. If the two lines intersect at one place, then one point of intersection is possible, and thereby you get one solution for the system. If two lines are parallel, then they never meet, they never intersect, so there will not be any solution. If the two lines lie on the top of each other, then you will find infinite number of solutions. In this case, you can write down either equation as the solution to indicate they are the same line. Now, let us talk about the dependent nature of the system. The equations of a system are dependent if all the solutions of one equation are also solutions for the other equation. In other words, they end up being the same line. The equations of a system are independent if they do not share all solutions. They can have one point in common, just not all of them. Such equations are called independent system. So finally, in general, a solution of a system in two variables is an ordered pair that makes both equations true. In other words, it is where the two graphs intersect, what they have in common. If an ordered pair is a solution to one equation but not the other, then it is not a solution to the system. A consistent system is a system that has at least one solution. An inconsistent system is a system that has no solution. So we have seen a lot of properties of systems of two variables, and we can apply these properties to solve the problems dealing with two variables.